Humble media friends, nirok tini payment bagai. Sung TSF ninggi sini press conference asok ninggi. Ang nirok ni TSF ni General Secretary Hamalu an logo tong sini Vice President Pintu, sini Chief Organizing Secretary Bibas, the sini Assistant Finance Secretary Somor, ani yagaro tong sini Joint Secretary Reno, the sini Assist Central Leaders, Divisional Leaders, jotono tongo. Tini sung press conference asok manik omana nirok sigo sung TSF kedungma salrogo sini movement temano te Roman script nate sung khai pai to 2020 ni sung kisa governor ni sung memorandum roga chang nirok nukhana aman porega sung strida khoka board by malaika sung memorandum to ya paring tong haipano temano zakha government ro assure khai kaje borok sungno ronai Roman script by biset khai jang nai te Bengali script biset khai jang nai sung amono gosen na ka haipana sung tak tumanu kha thangnai 17 March kogrok paper CBS ni tongmani aro Bengali script by set khai jang question paper kaise board exam se yak by suijak question paper baksa hogai man namne roktangai CBS ini simi khorang tisa CBS ini guardian student of sumai contact khaika sung borno thang visit khaika TBS ini sung khorang sob khalia haipana sung boron wai sung khorang tisa ito amo sung public ma busine tabo sung kabang memorandum rokha kabang ma leaders kabang political party bai sung malai sung akai sung TSF omana sung decision khaika sung tabo kebo malai liya borok sungai phaima malai nai sini students from the future thangjagai tongo sung ma busi nai sung thangjaga khorang mati sanai ang public na appeal khainai especially students sung sigima kha khana class 12 ni CBSE board exam ko go par nga thangi tong sung nero ni support na guardians ro nero ni support na nirok support khaya ke chini movement success sangla sung jotono no koinai students guardian public political party NGOs social organization student organization tabok te kaisa omo cockroach speaker on ismi fight ya I will invite even non cockroach speakers omo nirok no fight nirok mabusi nai sung cockroach saya sung tangai thane khongke any movement success singla thangnai goro sini traffic police harassment khaijaka boto kobrok sanaya haibano khaijaka blai harassment amo sung ma busine boni bagai TSF sung jabr pana sini je phan tongsa sung khaini tong thangnai strike khabro bo sing leaders orjo to na jotoni case masaja kodo thangma tongo sung sini bai khaya guardian rok ma busi nai sung nirong ni busa nirong ni churai nirong ni jati gusin bai khai to and our future generation thanai class 10 exam ronai ro borok fail singnai ni baksa saka kosi pore maya bai ka suinai ba borono roman script bai phrungja kha government assure khai ka ba borbo waso kha yes roman script phrungpa no question paper roman script bai jang nai tabok chung appeal khainai TSF ready tongo TSF basta hinga ni ready tongo nirok logade tong amo sita question public student logade tong boni bagai TSF khana 24 March 2025 jeng indefinite strike dakhogoi tongo sini TSF dengai sung joto political party joto organization joto student organization joto borok nirong na appeal khainai of movement no success khagen bagai sung nogo thogoi tongoi simi TSF no simi nai sagai of movement success ngla sung vision of ready khainai haibana nirong ni support karika movement bagai success ngai my dear student you should understand nirong bai sung fight khai tong sung case masai tong nirong kirigai nogo tong tong of movement success ngla guardian rok ma pusinai sung sika khana 21st March cover paper 12 ni nga thangi tong Baksa hogai mana exam bahai ke ronai tarodi sung reschedule khai ronai sung pal ke tu prano hor musung ma khang ke tangai government kiriang nai ba sung TSF simi khol ke sene haya niro public ong ma pusina students niro dress kai no khadi sung loge tongo niro ma pusina sung niro ni bagai sung je khai ma saksi ni phan tong sak sung khai ne tong public rock especially we should understand tumang gui dong sini movement tangai successnya 50 years na tangai so ma pusina bone bagai sung joto organization joto student you may be from different community different tribe khanani all movement of participate khagen bai sung koi nai te government of India government of Tripura te both nirok directly sung by contact ma khai nai you may think we are very much like tabo sini logo students tongo guardian tongo public tongo government of Tripura so amon one khai nirok problem solve khai musu khangke sung by direct contact khai di sung ready ni tongo talk ni bagai hai bana our students should not be played again language te question paper subject te sini student te politics ta khai chak sini student ni future manago ta thang thang ni chung nai ge bon bagai sung TSF sung sring tongmalia sini student ni dukh hono goi chung ma ba sapika sung appeal khai nai I appeal all the communities all the political organization NGO social organization